He's accused of murdering 3 people inside a Central Kentucky pawn shop, but can Kenneth Allen Keith receive a fair trial in Boyle County?
His attorneys don't think so, and today they spent 3 hours trying to convince a judge to move the trial out of Danville. Phil Pendleton has our top story at 5:30.
Kenneth Keith's lawyers hired a research and survey team to find out how much the Boyle County community knows about the murder of the 3 people that happened about 3 years ago at the pawn shop. 30,000 people were called, and they got answers from 401. Center Professor Dr. Michael Hamilton conducted the survey and says most already have their mind made up on Keith's guilt.
65%, again, close to 2/3, said that they believed that he is guilty. 262 out of 401.
Keith was arrested several weeks after the crime. Police say that he killed 3 inside the pawn shop, husband and wife Michael and Angela Hockensmith and gold broker Daniel Smith. Dr. Hamilton says 75% say Keith will get a fair trial, but that also means they're decided on the verdict.
Maybe they even think that the jury could be fair, but they've already decided in their own hearts that he's guilty. Therefore, fair is to convict him.
Defense attorneys say their fear is that jurors will be intentionally misleading or won't be aware they're misleading the process.
If it's something that was really strongly in their mind from the news and the rumors, they might go into deliberation and not quite remember where they had heard this supposed fact and still believe it to be true.
The judge says he will probably make a decision within a couple of weeks. The next court hearing for Kenneth Keith will be on November the 1st. In Boyle County, Phil Pendleton, WKYT.
Thoroughbred Research did the survey. The company was paid $10,000 up front and $175 an hour by Keith's defense team. Hamilton said the money was not a factor in the survey's results.